A particle is acted upon by forces F1, force 7 newtons, and F2, 1 minus 2 newtons. We want to find the resultant force on the particle. Just looking at notation, the column vector force 7 we should know is equivalent to 4i plus 7j, where normally I is a unit vector in the x direction and j is a unit vector in the y direction. You should be familiar with both types of notation. So 1 minus 2 would be the same as 1i, or just I, take away 2j. To find the resultant force, we simply have to add the two forces, and in this case this means just adding the column vectors. So doing force 7 plus 1 minus 2, and this gives us 5 newtons. Suppose we wanted to find the magnitude and direction for this force. We know that it's 5 newtons across and 5 newtons up. The resultant would be the third side of the triangle, and we have a right-angled triangle. We need r and theta. Since it's a right-angled triangle, we can use Pythagoras' theorem, so the root of 5 squared plus 5 squared, which is the root of 25 plus 25, or root 50. This calculates to 7.07 newtons, correct to 3 significant figures. For the angle, we can see this is an isosceles right-angled triangle, and it follows that theta must be 45 degrees.